Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about how to change the blade in 7-cutter paper straw making machine. Before you begin, ensure that all the electrical power to your machines is turned off. And never attempt to change the blades without wearing safety gloves. Loosen blade mounting screws. Most blades in these machines are attached with screws or bolts. Loosen and remove the fasteners holding the blade in place. If there is a safety cover or panel in place, carefully remove it to access the blade. And replace the new blade. Inset the new blade into the same position, ensuring it's properly aligned. Tighten blade mounting screws. Secure the new blade in place by tightening the screws or bolts. Ensure that the new blade is properly aligned with other components in the machine. These are some common reasons resulting blade change. Blade quality, proper installation, regular maintenance, blade sharpening, cutting pressure, material quality. For any doubts and queries, please feel free to contact us.